Hey guys, so I'm Arjun, this is Bhavani. We're here to present rtrvr.ai, an AI web agent like operator or manus, but within your browser. So it's like a Chrome extension on the side panel that can do autonomous tasks. It can do planning. So you can have a complex task like go to LinkedIn and get my network latest connections and extract them to sheets of their details.
Here I'm asking, just give me the last five network connections in my network. So it's automatically going to like LinkedIn, clicking on my network, and then connections, and then which will give me the what I asked, like top five latest connections and so on.
Yeah, so we're like a DOM-only web agent that can interact with pages. We can interact with multiple tabs, so you can select 10 tabs to act on, like extract data from, or like do parallel processing. So you see it extracted the details.
Top five connections that I have here. You can make it extract into like a Google Sheet or write into your CRM at scale. And then a lot of our users for like social media management at scale. So let's say I can be like, I go to my ex and then I'm like, just create some like quick tweet saying like, what's your favorite AI agent? Again, it plans and picks the right tools to understand user's intent. It like does the task of what user asked for. A lot of startups and SMBs uses us to like send messages at scale to like a lot of profiles or even followers of like competitive brands as such. So yeah, post was successfully sent. You can literally like view it right here.
So you can interact with the agent, give feedback in real time, and pause or cancel.
Or like keep going ahead.
Yeah, so it's successfully canceled, and you can choose from active tabs. So we are taking a completely different take on web agents of using the DOM-only approach that allows us to distribute tasks parallelly across your own browser.
Yeah, and we are bridging the gap between like web interfaces as well as your APIs. Like you can literally with natural language generate any tool you want with Retriever, and if let's say a tool like Slack wants your Slack token, everything runs within the sandbox of your Chrome. It's not even coming to us, and Retriever like extracts the data or top news, writes to your Slack or writes to your CRM APIs. Everything autonomously.
So check out rtrvr.ai, no vowels.
Excellent. Thank you, guys.